If you're looking for a self-hosted open source identity provider, you may just be in the right place. Today we're having a look at Authentik. We're also having a look at Authelia. We want to know what they offer, what benefits they have, and how they can benefit you as an individual. Okay, so let's have a look at Authentik. So Authentik delivers flexible self-hosted authentication. It works very well with all major protocols. The platform also excels in environments requiring customizable identity management. It bridges legacy and modern applications. Authentik also offers modular authentication flows. So you can create custom authentication sequences with visual workflow editors. You have an intuitive interface for administering identities, groups, or even policies. And it has a multi-factor authentication with a user self-service capabilities, which is of course also fantastic. Having a look over here at the deployment and access control, it replaces commercial solutions like Okta and Auth. Also, it has rules based on groups, time, and even network location. It has flexible deployment, so Docker, Kubernetes, or infrastructure it uses as code. Let's have a look at Authelia. So Authelia is a self-hosted solution for web applications. It works with NGINX, traffic, and HA proxy. It also has a unified logging experience across all of your services, which means it's SSO enabled. It has two-factor authentication. It also has the ability to configure different methods. It has declarative files for infrastructure automation, and it's 100% self-hosted, which gives you complete control over your identity data. The last thing over here is the key benefits and some of its key features. It gives you access control. It also is a single portal which centralizes authentication interfaces for all of your protected applications. It has brute force protection, which is automated mechanisms that prevent credential attacks, and it has an API integration for seamless service connections. This is a really great all-in-one tool. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. A head-to-head comparison of some of the best software in the industry. If this video was enjoyable, drop us a like to show your support, and we'll see you next time.